Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Here to talk about light bulbs. So I bought a lamp for my desk, and I wanted a light for it. So I bought this light. It's a cheap light. And I got these LED vintage bulbs. And they're like a warm white. So my walls are blue, so when I put them in, it's just kind of like this puke color. So I went back to the store, and I wasn't looking at wattage. I just bought one that said it was white and very similar to what these look like, and brought it back and put it in, and I was like, oh shit, that's too bright. So then I was looking at the box, and I noticed there was no wattage on there. It didn't say how many watts it was. So, but I seen it said that it could be connected. So I didn't pay attention to all that when I bought it. I just wanted a white bulb. So I brought it home, and then I was going to take it back, and then I said, let me try this out. So there's an app. You actually scan this code on your phone, and then you put the app on it, and then when you open it up, you actually program it into your phone. So it actually take a picture. And then on the bottom, when you open it up, you can literally change. You can dim the bulb by just using the slider. And you could set up multiple it actually takes a picture of the thing, so you can have multiple devices, multiple bulbs in one room, and you can actually hook them all together. And I don't have those right now, that option right now, but yeah, it says group. So you would just add a group, and you would be able to dim them or brighten them all at the same time. There's also a setting here called routines, where you can set it up to where it's actually on a schedule. So, you can have it come on. Let's see. You can actually like set it for like sunrise and sunset, or be specific with the time. So I'm not going to do all that crap. I'm just going to use it for what it is. Turn it on, turn it off. So, yeah, pretty cool. I think it was like $11 or something. I didn't even look at the price. And to turn it off, you can actually just simply hit that little button. No, you just hit the screen where the picture is. You don't even have to hit that button. So pretty cool. Made by GE, called CYNC Direct Connect Smart Bulb. Nothing special needed. It's just a remote control light bulb. Very cool. I like it. Peace.